A California waiter wouldn't serve a group of Latina women without proof of residency. On March 11th, 4 Latina women dining out at a Southern California restaurant were asked by their waiter for IDs, so he checked to see if they were U.S. citizens, according to a story published by the Washington Post on Sunday. "I need to make sure you're from here," the waiter told the women who, not knowing what else to do, handed over their IDs. Shortly after, the women told the manager what had happened. He gave them his business card and offered to seat them in a different waiters section. But they decided to leave anyway. One of the women, 24-year-old Diana Carrillo, wrote about the incident a few hours later in a Facebook post, in which she also tagged the offending restaurant as St. Marc Pub Cafe, Bakery and Chizzafinage in Huntington Beach, California. 1 week later, the post had been shared 600 times and will doubtless circulate far more widely in the coming days. According to the OC Weekly, St. Marc is located in a brand new upscale retail and dining plaza called Pacific City and offers customers the option of ordering off an iPad, which in this one case would have been a step up from the flesh and blood person charged with taking Carrillo and her friend's order.